Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot sequences for LinkedIn connection nurturing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize HubSpot sequences for LinkedIn connection nurturing, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Sales tab located in the main menu. From the drop-down options, select Sequences. If you haven't created a new sequence yet, click on the Create Sequence button. Add your sequence name and description for easy identification. Next, define the steps you want to include in your sequence. In the Sequence Builder, choose a template or create your own email tasks. For each email, set the delay timing between sends as needed. After setting up the emails, you will need to connect your LinkedIn account. Open a new tab and log into your LinkedIn account. Return to HubSpot and access the Integrations section under the Settings menu. From the Integrations menu, find and select LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Click on the Connect Account button. You will be redirected to LinkedIn for authentication. Log in with your LinkedIn credentials and grant HubSpot the necessary permissions. Once authorized, return to HubSpot. Now your LinkedIn account is connected and ready for use. Go back to your sequence and select the option to add LinkedIn tasks. Choose the specific tasks you want to include, such as sending connection requests or follow-up messages. Customize the messages for each LinkedIn step. Review the entire sequence to ensure it aligns with your nurturing strategy. Once satisfied, click Save to finalize your sequence. To start nurturing your connections, select your newly created sequence. Assign it to the appropriate contacts or leads in your database. Monitor the performance of your sequence through HubSpot's Analytics dashboard. Adjust and optimize your sequence based on the engagement metrics obtained. By following these steps, you can efficiently authorize and set up HubSpot sequences for LinkedIn connection nurturing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.